Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to fix WhatsApp GIF not working or GIF not working. So a lot of time this happens that GIF is not loading or it is not showing up properly. So for that, what you're going to be doing is simply install VPN. So sometimes it could be happening that due to a regional restriction the service is basically not working properly, and once you simply plug on or turn on your VPN, you need to head over to your WhatsApp and search for the GIFs that you like. You can simply send them over. You can see we have stickers over here and we have GIFs, so we can search for anything that we like. Let's just say we got any this kind of GIF going on, we can send it and it will be easily working. So that's how easy it is. That's how you can fix your GIF, and I hope this helps. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more and see you around in the next video.